order we are going to discuss our 12th question. A hemispherical bowl has diameter 9 centimeter. The liquid is poured into cylindrical bottles of diameter 3 centimeter. So here they are given that diameter of the bowl they are given. So what is it is, so here this is the diameter of the bowl. So draw this one. This is the diameter. Let's take center of this point is. So diameter of the bowl is 9 centimeter. They are given. After that, they are given that liquid is poured into cylindrical bottles of diameter. So this diameter is what? So this is the diameter. Let's take any one bottle. So this is the diameter. This diameter is equals to 3 centimeter. So this is the diameter and they are given the height also. So this is the height. So simply I took some number of bottles. We don't know this how many bottles are there, but then if a full bowl of liquid is filled with bottles. So from this one, so if you filled all this one from this all the number of bottles, so these are all filling with bottles. So it will going to fill all the bottles. Then what they are telling here is find how many number of bottles are required. So if you find this volume of this bowl, then this volume will be, so volume of bowl will be equal to number of bottles into volume of each bottle into volume of each bottle. So this is the thing you need to understand. So from this one, if you poured all the bottles, we need to find what is the cylinder, this bottle volume, and we need to multiply with the number of bottles. So let's take number of bottles will be equal to small n. So this is the number of bottles. So before going to that, find the what is the volume of hemispherical bowl. So volume of bowl will be equal to volume of sphere by, so volume of sphere by 2. So that is 4 by 3 pi r cube whole divided by 2. So that is 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1 by 2. So what we need to find is 2 ones are, then 2 twos are 4. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. So here they are given that diameter, not, so they are given that diameter, not radius. So we have to find what is the radius of this. So radius is nothing but, so let's take here 2d. 2r will be equal to d will be equal to 9 centimeter. Then r will be equal to 9 by 2 centimeter. This is the radius of this. Then this is the radius for this bowl. Then what is the radius of cylinder? So d will be equal to 3 centimeter. That will be 2r. This is the cylinder. This is bowl. So 2r will be equal to 3. Then rc will be equal to bottle 3 by 2 centimeter. That one we need to understand here. So here, so what is R will be? Volume of bowl will be equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7. What is the bowl radius? So that is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 whole cube. You can write it like 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 9 by 2 into 9 by 2 into 9 by 2. So let's going to cancel all these values. So 2 will going to cancel. 3 ones are, then 3 threes are 9. Then 2 ones are, then 2 11s are. So what is the values here? So 11 into 3 into 9 nines are 81 by 7 into 2. So this is the things we need to observe here. So what is 11 into 3? 33. So 33 into 81 we will get 2673 by 7 twos are 14. So now this value will be divided with 14. Then what is the value here is 190.92. What is this? Centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the bowl. Then volume of the cylinder we have to find it. So what is the volume of the cylinder? So volume of the cylinder will be volume of the, let's take bottle. Why cylinder? Let's take bottle. That is pi r square h. So this is the volume of the cylinder or bottle. So pi is equals to 22 by 7 into r will be equal to 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 centimeter. That is 3 by 2 whole square into height also 3. So height is 3 centimeter. So let's take 3. So this one will be equal to 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3. So 2 ones are, then 2 11s are. That is the value here. So 11 into 3 into 3 into 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 by 7 into 2. So 27 into 11, what is that here is 27 into 11, 297 by 7 2s are 40. So by 40. So what is that here is 21.214. This is the volume of the centimeter cube. Now what is the required formula here is, so volume of the bottle into number of bottles, that will be equal to volume of the bulb. So from this you can calculate N. So that is volume of the bowl by volume of water. So that is the case. So volume of the bowl is what? So we have found it at 190.92. So 190.92 whole divided by volume of the bottle is 21.21. So if you calculate number of bottles will be, get it as, so 190.92 by what we are getting here is 21.21. So it will come 9 point, or you can take it as 190.92 by 100 into, so here we can write it as, this is 100 by 2121. You can write like this. So how it came here is, don't get confused. So we are written this one as, so 190, how we are written here is, so let's take 190 by 100 whole divided by 2121 by 100. So we are reciprocal it and we are multiplied. Here 100 will going to cancel. Then n will be equal to 190.92 by 2121. So if you cancel with 21 is there. So if you go and cancel with 7, then what you will get here is, so 7 if you are going to cancel, then what is the value? So here we will get around 9.00, like this we will get. So n will be equal to 9 bottles. That is the required number of bottles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.